Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new budget plan to start your savings journey with Spendee. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee application on your device, and once you open it up, enter your PIN code or use your credentials to log into your account. After logging in, you will end up within the timeline page. Now from this page, in order to create your new budget, tap on the budgets option at the bottom. Then you can tap on create your first budget, and you will now be taken into the add new budget option. Now once you are inside the add new budget option, you can simply enter the budget name, which could be the title for your saving plan. Then enter the amount that you wish to allocate for this category, and then choose the currency as well. You can also choose which wallets you would like to allocate the funds from, and by default all of your wallets will be selected. The budget for category will also be chosen into all expenses by default, but you can uncheck the select all box and then choose the appropriate category. Then within the recurrence section, you can choose the frequency at which you would like to allocate these funds. Then just choose the starting date and then click on create a new budget. This will now create your new budget plan and then show you the progress that you have made within the budget section as well. You can enter this plan and then make any changes, and also check the overview to see any transactions that you have made. To make any changes, you can click on the three dots at the top right corner and then make your desired changes and tap on the Save Changes button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a new budget on your Spendee budget planning application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.